Good morning. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to another video. Today we are taking a walk at Oloolua Nature Trail. It's another place within Nairobi where you can walk, you can cycle, you can enjoy the beauty of nature. So come along with me as we take a walk at Oloolua. Hidden in the quiet suburb of Karen lies one of Nairobi's most peaceful escapes, the Oloolua Nature Trail. Surrounded by indigenous forest, flowing rivers, bamboo groves, and the sounds of birds overhead, this trail offers a rare chance to slow down and reconnect with nature. I've had the privilege of visiting this place a couple of times. In fact, this was my 5th visit. And honestly speaking, with each visit, the experience is always different. It had been raining in Nairobi last few days, and I'm anxious to see how the trail will look like after the rains. Payment to access the trail is via eCitizen. eCitizen is an online payment platform used to access government services. Well, the good thing is that you are granted access to their Wi-Fi, so you don't have to worry about bundles or data.
Fortune lady told my mama before I saw the sun. Said your boy's gonna love too hard and break more than one.
So this is where we start. That's the entry. Okay, you can use even this other route, but most people prefer to start on this side, then you go around and come from so we have started the walk. We are somewhere in the forest. I'm already breathing so hard, but it's okay. The weather is nice.
Said your boy's gonna love too hard and break more than one. You're gonna make sweet women laugh and cry.
Unajua nasema ni mimi.
Gonna ask him why.
So we are at the waterfall. As you can see, the water is like so much. There's a lot of water. Although the time we used to take photos before, but now because of the rain, there's so many water. There's a lot of water. You can't take pictures on the other side. This is because of the rain that have been going on in the city of Nairobi. But look at that. This is so beautiful. So awesome right here in the city of Nairobi at Oloolua Nature Trail. Okay, we are from the waterfall. Now we are continuing with the walk. Let's keep walking. You can see how beautiful the place is. Just surrounded by trees and trees and more trees.
Midnight man, everybody knows.
Michao!
All right, baby.
Where?
That's how it is.
It looks dark in here, it has rained, it's muddy. But this is another nice place, let me show you. There we have the bamboos. Over here, it's another attraction.
Actually, I'm sweating.
Tell him to come out, we'll give him a hug. Because of the rains that had pounded the city and the last couple of days, we found there were some trees which had fallen and covered the bamboo resting place. So we weren't able to do much. We just crossed over and moved on to the next attraction.
Ini mti ilianguka kweli?
Fortunately, told my mama before I saw the sun.
Very tired.
Said your boy's gonna love too hard. You wanna make sweet
This was my first time stepping into the caves ever since I've visited this trail. But it was muddy, it was slippery because of the rain, so I didn't go so far and I just went out again.
But you know why I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn. I got a black cat charm and a heart turned blue. Got a letter from my baby saying I'm done with you.
Kapotea? Tumekuja aje?
I'm gonna make you good. Lead me by my hand. Then the crowd gon' cry for the midnight rain. Love and cry. But you know I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn. Love and cry. Alright, baby. Love and cry. That's how it is. Love and cry. Love and cry.
So we are continuing with the hike. The trail is a bit steep here, but it's also wet because it rained like a few days ago. So when you come to this place, it has rained, you need to be careful because the trail is a bit slippery. As you can see, it's muddy, but the weather is nice, it's cool, and we are all happy and excited. Yeah, so you can see that bridge just a wooden bridge that we cross over. The river that we've seen since the place where the waterfall was, it's still the same river. So the bridge is strong, but not very high, and the water is also not very deep here. So as you can see, the place looks very green because it has rained. It has been raining in Nairobi for a while. It looks very nice. So let's continue with our walk.
Before I saw the sun, said your boy's gonna love too hard and break more than one. You're gonna make sweet women.
I'm sorry.
In a whole wide world. Gonna ask him why. But you know I'm gonna make you good. Leave me by my hand. Then the crowd gon' cry for the midnight man. Love and cry. Love and cry. But you know I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn. All right, baby.
Thank you so much for staying with me this walk at Oloolua Nature Trail. We've now come to the end of the video. We are going home. It's been a nice day. It's been good. It's been fun. I'm so tired. I'm so excited, but I'm happy. This is me. Now we are going back home. Thank you. See you on the next one.